installing the seal and window assembly into the door. These can be installed backwards because the gaps here are two different sizes. There's a gap here, 0.07, and there's a gap here, 0.1. The smaller gap goes on the window frame, the bigger gap goes here on the glass. And the way you can tell from the instructions, if you look at this little bump here, there's a little nub. That's on the inside of the door frame, and the part without the nub is on the outside. And you can look at this nub here. That's where it's at. So we turn it like this. This will eventually be on the inside, so this is going to be our part for the window. And if you look, this gap here is smaller than that gap here, or bigger because this is the window. Window's bigger. Bigger gap goes on the window, so it all lines up. They can be installed backwards, and they can fall out because of that. So it's.
Yep, and that's how this one.
That's what happened here, yeah.
Yep.
This video is not for young children, okay?
No, it is not.
It's not. We like to say bad words in these videos, like doo-doo head.
Looks like you got it on.
Yeah.
Starting it.
Just gonna work it around
the beam.
Start with the window first, as the instructions say.
You just work it around, right?
If you got it from Tech Tool Plastics, it should come with instructions.
Great company. Great window, just based off the shipping. And the order from Helimart, you get 2 free t-shirts.
Ooh! Yeah, just put the channel name in the in the fucking, what do you call those things?
Description?
No, in the promo.
Oh, yes.
In the promo block, just put the name of our channel in the promo block and get 2 free t-shirts. Like we're the ones fucking.
If you're an old school mechanic, probably want to let one of the younger guys do it. If you're over 40.
Good save.
Mechanics over 40 should not do this one trick. This one install.
Almost there.
Just gotta get that final piece on. Yeah. If you were over 40, you would have been done right now.
Yeah. You had to go home for the day.
Yep. Okay guys, when you get your window, it's going to be oversized.
It might be oversized.
It might be oversized depending on your door. Ours was oversized, so we had to do a little bit of trimming to fit the door and fit it to a minimum of 0.2 inches overlap on the door frame. So we had to sand it down or grind it down in order to reach that. You get a lot of particles everywhere. You end up with a lot of pieces trimmed off. Now if it's really nice, and now we're running the string through the rubber. Now install that on the door.
you're gonna have to like push it, like take the seal and push it towards me. You know what I mean?
No.
Like that.
I gotcha.
Can you take it and pull it towards you a little bit? Come on, you got it. Nope, stop. The glass came out of the thing. I'm not sure how to I don't want
Go
to
back.
over it. Yeah, see if we can feed it back somehow. Okay. Take the string. How's that? Okay. Make sure the seal is set. So instead of pulling on your window, you gotta push like that
Oh, you gotta push on it. Okay.
on the seal, because then otherwise it's gonna come out of the window. There you go. Look at that. When you pull too hard like that, the seal sits where it's at, and the glass slides out of the seal. Just fucking wrong fucking way. It's more like a sort of thing too. Oh, I gotta get on this.
Okay.
That one's tight. We gotta figure that one out. Hold on. Get it and just push it over just a fucking little bit. Okay, okay. Almost had it with when you pulled like that. It was close, but let me try it then. That's what you're doing. Okay, right. Okay, go easy on that. It looks like it's. Or it looked like it was about to start struggling a bit. Let me try from you. Let me see right next to it. Yeah. Try to push the seal this time. I really don't want the glass to slide out at the end like it's been doing.
Okay. tight.
Okay. Oh, you're really close to the glass here. So.
Okay.
Some pressure.
Ready?
Okay, hold on for a second. Make sure it's pressed.
Ready?
Go. I think we might have it.
Think we do? Ready?
Yep. Okay. All right. I don't know. Fucking try it slow. No lip. No lip.
Nice.
I mean, it's a little bit of a lip, but it's not enough for me to carry right now.
That's how you install a window.
There's still a lip in here though.
Really?
Like a little bit. Right here, look. Just a fucking little bit.